Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in the previous video we have seen how to create the set and how to add the elements. So in this video we'll see how to remove the elements from the set. Let's create the set. I'm just printing the set. And if you wanted to, one more thing I wanted to add before that is, let's say you wanted to find the length of the set, how many elements are present. You can just simply type len of your set name. If you just give that, it will give you how many elements which are present. Let's count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this is how we can find the length of the set, like how many elements are present inside the particular set. Let's say now you wanted to dis like, this is my x. Let's me print the x. So this is the elements which I have now. Let's say you wanted to remove the number 4 from the set. You can just simply type remove and whatever the element you wanted to remove. Let's say I wanted to remove the element 4. Now if I print x here, you can see that 4 got removed. And another option also which you can try is discard. Let's say this time I wanted to discard 1. So you can just simply type x of discard of 1, it will remove. So these are the two options which are available. And apart from this, like list, here also we have option called pop. So what this pop will do is, it will delete the last item from the set. Let's say in this case our last item is 22. So now if I print, yeah, but in this case what happened exactly is, like, when it comes to list it removes the last item, but when it comes to set it is unordered, right? So in this case we are not sure, like, based on the internal algorithm it will delete the particular element accordingly. Like whatever the element it got deleted, we can see that element over here. Let's delete. So in this case you can see now the language got deleted. Now if I try to print x, both one and language are not present. So these are the three options which are available to remove the elements from the set. This is all guys. Thanks for watching. We'll catch up in the next video.